Hello students, this lecture is about nocardiosis. You can see the cartoon on the screen. One guy is asking other, nocardiosis, does that mean that his heart is gone? No, it does not mean that it is without heart. Actually, nocardiosis, these are the infections which are because of the bacteria Nocardia. The Nocardia, these are the bacteria which causes the infection nocardiosis, which we are going to study in this lecture. This bacteria Nocardia, it belongs to the phylum Actinobacteria. The order is Actinomycetes. It is a member of the Actinomycetes group. One member, Actinomyces, which we have already studied in the last lecture. The bacteria is named so because of, first of all, the Edmond Nocard, who described it in the cattle with bovine farcy. The first human case was by Appinger. This bacteria, these are members of Actinomycetes, but they have close relatedness with the Mycobacterium. Yes, Mycobacterium is that bacteria which causes the deadly disease tuberculosis. They have relatedness since they also have the tuberculostearic acids, but the mycolic acid present in Nocardia, they are shorter, they just have 40 to 60 carbon atoms. The cell wall of Nocardia is also unique, it is type 4. It contains peptidoglycan which has mesodiaminopimelic acid, arabinose and galactose. The bacteria is gram-positive, aerobic, they are filamentous cells which show the branching. Ubiquitous. This organism is ubiquitous since it is found as saprophyte in soil, in organic matter, also in the water. In the case of human beings, it is found as the normal flora of the mouth, in the gingiva, as well as in the periodontal pockets. The Nocardia infections are transmitted by inhalation or through the trauma. The genus Nocardia has important species: Asteroides, Farcinica, Nova, Brasiliensis, Pseudo-Brasiliensis, Otitis cavarium transvalenis. The bacteria is aerobic, gram-positive. There is also filamentous rods. They are slow-growing, sometimes acid-fast. Like its cousin Actinomyces, this bacteria also has sulfur granules. And it is acid-fast, unlike Actinomyces, when isolated from the tissues. This shows the morphology of the bacteria. You can see the gram-positive rods which have the beaded appearance, and there is also the branching in the rods. This shows the scanning electron micrograph where there are the filamentous rods having the branching. For the cultivation, the bacteria can be routinely cultivated on the medium used for cultivation of bacteria and the fungus. But when we cultivate this on routine medium, then the specimens, they show the mixed flora. In order to avoid the mixed flora, the selective media like Thier-Martin agar with antibiotics, paraffin agar, and buffered charcoal yeast extract medium can be used. The colonies are white, yellow or pink brown. Nocardia maduri shows the leathery colonies with red pigment. Asteroides has the star-shaped colonies. The colonies are formed after 3 weeks of incubation. The bacteria is slow growing. It can also grow on Lowenstein-Jensen medium, which is used for routine cultivation of the Mycobacterium, and it also resembles the growth like that of the saprophytic Mycobacteria. Now about nocardiosis, the infection caused by Nocardia. It can cause mucocutaneous lesions, local infection on the skin, abscesses, cellulitis or lymphocutaneous lesions. Mycetoma is the disease which is present on the limbs. It is actually a chronic destructive disease in which there is the fibrosis, necrosis also of the adjacent structure, they get destroyed. And here we can also see the visible granules. This is like the fungal mycetoma, eumycetoma, which we will study in the coming lectures, and it also resembles the actinomycetoma, which is because of the actinomyces. This is showing the clinical picture, the mycetoma in the foot. This is the cutaneous nocardiosis on the skin. Next is the pulmonary manifestations, where there is the pneumonia-like symptoms. There is the endobronchial inflammatory masses present, lung abscesses, cavitary disease, empyema. Surrounding tissues, they can also be affected. And the cases of pulmonary disease are mostly seen in the case of the AIDS patient, where this becomes an opportunistic pathogen. In the case of the central nervous system, there are brain abscesses which can be mistaken for neoplasia. There is granulomatous abscesses, usually the cerebral cortex, basal ganglia or midbrain are affected. In laboratory diagnosis of nocardiosis, the clinical samples can be sputum, cerebrospinal fluid, blood, tissue, pus or exudate, body site fluid, bronchial washing, bronchial lavage. The first approach is macroscopic examination. The abscesses are looked for the presence of the granules. Granules are usually present and they are yellow in color. When there are granules, the granules are crushed in sterile saline and then the microscopic examination is done. This is showing the granules presence in abscesses where a sinus is draining out. This is showing the sulfur granule from the sinus tract of actinomycotic infection. Here the microscope is showing the filamentous bacteria. The microscopic examination, when the granules they are crushed, then the gram-positive thin branching bacteria they are seen, and in background there are also the pus cells, there are the PMNLs which are seen in the background. The gram staining or the Jane-Lefson staining methods, they are not very successful. Usually the staining methods of the Graham-Vigert or Gomori methamine silver methods are used. The quinone acid fast staining method is also used, in which the weak acid 1% sulfuric acid is used for decolorization. The nocardia has the delicate rods, filaments, and there is pronounced branching when isolated from the tissues. For the culture can be done on a different medium in which the antibiotics can be added to make the medium selective. The organism is slow growing. Growth is seen only after the 2 days, sometimes weeks, and sometimes the months are taken for the organism to grow. The colonies are colored cream, orange or pink in color. They have a dry and the chalky appearance like the colonies of the Mycobacterium, and it is difficult to pick these colonies from the medium. When the tap water agar is used for isolation, then the branching hyphae is seen and the aerial hyphae are protruding out from the medium. This shows the culture characteristic, nocardia on the blood agar. This is showing the chalky, dry colonies on the algae medium. This is showing the colonies on the brain heart infusion. These are the star-shaped colonies. This is showing the cultivation in the broth medium. The unique star-shaped colonies of the Nocardia asteroidis on the culture medium. The identification can also be by the chemotaxonomic methods, in which the bacteria is looked for the presence of meso-diaminopimalic acid, and using the HPLC, the mycolic acid patterns can also be studied. Serological methods can be used for diagnosis, in which immunodiffusion, complement fixation tests are used for diagnosis. The immunoblot and ELISA method, it can also be used. For treatment, the cycles of amikacin are given, and also the trimethoprim sulfamethoxazole, they are given for the period of 6 months. By looking at this picture, you can have the conclusion about this lecture. This is showing the nocardia, the presence of nocardia in different locations as a saprophyte, and the diseases which are caused because of nocardia in cats, in the cattle, in the birds, and how the infection can be transmitted through the injury. Then the other side is showing the branching gram-positive cells and the different types of clinical picture, the lungs, brain, kidney, and bones, joints which are affected by nocardiosis. Thank you very much.